This new Skytech Shadow gaming PC desktop features Intel Core i5-10400F, and it paired up with RTX 3050. Take your game to the next level. Skytech's Shadow 3.0 lets you play with higher settings, faster frame rates and more powerful multitasking capabilities than standard gaming PCs, featuring more power to game and stream simultaneously with no lag. The Skytech Shadow 3.0 gives gamers even more power to back up your teammates and create better content. Why settle for mediocrity? Leap forward into the Shadow series with the newest architectures, featuring the latest RTX 30 series graphics cards and powered by Intel Core i5-10400F6 Core 2.9 GHz Processor. The Shadow delivers the best price-to-performance value gaming rig in the market. The Skytech Shadow offers the best gaming computer built up to date to quickly run popular games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fornite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto V, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PLAYERUNKNOWN's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield V, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 1080p Full HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay.